Hey YouTube, it's your boy Nick. We're gonna be cooking some pepperoni rolls. Let's check out what we have. So right here we got some dinner rolls. We got some stick pepperoni, because you gotta have stick pepperoni, none of that slices stuff. We're gonna be cooking some pepperoni rolls. Let's check it out. Hey guys, I'm back. So what we want to do is we want to thaw out these pepperoni rolls. So we're going to get out our cling wrap. I got at Walmart, and I got our cooking spray. We're going to put some of this stuff down on the pan. Gonna spray some of this down, make sure my phone didn't move. Get this bag open here. We're gonna take these dinner rolls. We want to give them some room here so as they expand, they don't touch each other. Give them a chance to rise a little bit and thaw out. And then we're also going to spray the top of this, make sure it doesn't stick to anything else here. I'm going to move these out of the way. Sure we have some room to work. Hey guys, I'm back. So what we want to do is we want to thaw out these pepperoni rolls. So we're going to get out our cling wrap. I got at Walmart, and I got our cooking spray. We're going to put some of this stuff down on the pan. Gonna spray some of this down, make sure my phone didn't move. Get this bag open here. We're gonna take these dinner rolls. We want to give them some room here so as they expand, they don't touch each other. Give them a chance to rise a little bit and thaw out. And then we're also going to spray the top of this, make sure it doesn't stick to anything else here. I'm going to move these out of the way. Sure we have some room to work. Hey guys, I'm back. Got another pan here. We gotta spread out these pepperoni rolls some more. Not the best with the cling wrap here. Don't forget, go Louisiana Raging Cajuns. All right, put another pan over here. Hey guys, I'm back. I've got another pan for pepperoni rolls. We're gonna keep putting this cling wrap in here. Making sure we spray stuff down really good so it doesn't stick. Stretch this out. And again, spray the top. We don't want anything to stick. Put another one over here. Oh man, did I stop the video between here? Did I remember to say, hey guys, I'm back? It's fine. I'll tell my editor. He'll take care of it. He always makes sure my videos look really good. Hey guys, I'm back. We're almost out of rolls here. Alright, and these need like 3 to 5 hours for these things to thaw out and start to rise. So we'll give that some time. And we'll just leave it here. Over here with my Raging Cajuns, go Cajuns. And we'll probably go play some Call of Duty or something, and I'll be back. I think I stopped the camera. I'm gonna take a break, make some bacon, because it's breakfast time. I'm hungry. Pepperoni rolls aren't quite ready yet, so we'll just take the bacon. We'll put it in here. Hey Alexa, play Blank Check by Taylor Swift.
Blank Space and similar songs on Amazon Music.
That's fine. Alexa, stop. I don't want to get a YouTube strike. That is one fat piece of bacon. I thought it was, oh, it's supposed to be 2, but they cut it really poorly. That second piece is going to be so thin. Like, it's going to crisp up like a mother. That'll be fine. Man, people think I don't know how to cook. I know how to cook. I just don't like to cook. So it's all going to be right here. And we'll just wait for the oven to preheat. And we'll throw that bacon in. Do-do-do-do. Because you're beautiful. Do-do-do-do. Ah! 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 Hey guys, I'm back. So the next step we need to do is we need to prepare the pepperoni for the rolls. They're almost done proofing and getting bigger. Just gotta unwrap this big dude here. Take it out of its packaging. And then it also comes in its own casing, so we need to make a little mark here so we can get the casing off of it. You can leave the casing on, it doesn't hurt. It'll just make things a little bit chewier. It doesn't usually break like that, but this time the casing actually came off really well all on its own. And then we're going to cut, I don't know, an inch or so and try to make these about the same. which I'm not very good at. As you can tell, I'm an amazing cook. That's why you guys tune into my channel. Some of these are going to be slightly bigger than the others. People will get over it. It's just pepperoni. And then we're going to quarter them, right? Let's go Cajuns. Don't forget about my Cajuns. It's a big daddy right there. That's going to be, someone's going to be happy with all the pepperoni in that one. Some people say I don't know how to cook or I can't cook. Clearly that's not the case. Look at the skillfulness of the knife here. These are chef level cuttings. Just kind of stacking stuff up here. Got a really small cutting board. The other one is not ready for prime time. Had a little bit of a sink malfunction. We're waiting on maintenance to come and fix it, but we'll get there. Anyway, I think you get the idea how the pepperoni gets cut up, and then the next step will be folding it into the pepperoni rolls. I'll be back. Hey guys, I'm back. So these are proofed up a little bit, just making sure there's no openings or holes. Just want to make sure they cook correctly. We've got the oven at 350, and we're going to be throwing these in here shortly. Once they come out of the oven, they go on these cooling racks with some paper towels under there to catch any of that grease that comes out of there. We'll be throwing them in for about 16 minutes. Hey guys, I'm back. Taking the first batch out of the oven. Usually that first batch is never great. For whatever reason, you can see they're kind of dark. But we'll put them over here on the rack. We'll let them cool a little bit. That one opened up. There must have been a nice little air hole in there somewhere. And then we'll put the next batch in the oven. Hopefully the next ones look a little bit better. Next batch coming out of the oven. And these look pretty good. This is what you're looking for. Move these onto the tray and keep putting them in. These just came out of the oven. They look pretty good, but probably another 30, 40 minutes in the oven would probably make them the best they can be, so I'll stick them back in. Hey guys, I'm back. Now it's time for that taste test. Make sure these things taste pretty good. No complaints here. Thanks for watching the video. Appreciate all you guys, especially my biggest fans out in Mattawan. Merry Christmas. Talk to you soon.